Hey there. So, you're one of us, aren't you? Mind if I ask you a few questions? Question 1. When you travel, you usually... Oh man, that's really sad. Kidding. So, next question. When you're traveling, do you follow the itinerary or are you more spontaneous? Good to know. And what about politics? What would you do if you disagreed with our country's government? Right on. Oh, one last question. But you might also watch a movie to... Thanks. Good to know. And I guess you're like the other runaway teens, trying to flee Petria. It's really dangerous to cross the border. You have to be careful with the people you meet on the way, believe me. Don't go fainting on me. But each decision could shape your destiny and Petria's too. Okay, I guess it's time for you to hit the road. I hope you're ready.
I'm here at our nation's border under National Mountain, the site of the Black Brigade terrorist attack in '86. If you don't remember, hundreds died that day when a brigade truck carrying explosive devices crashed into the mountain, triggering its peak to collapse. In 2 months, on the same day as the nation's election, in the same spot where I'm standing, the 10-year commemoration honoring the victims will take place.
Give us all your darn money, bitch!
Yeah, all your darn money.
Robbery in progress. All cars in the area respond immediately.
Unit 2 here, on my way. Over.
President Tyrak, the man who built the border wall behind me, protecting our nation, will be there.
Protecting our nation? Ha!
This event promises to be a solemn moment, and a time to celebrate the announcement of our next president.
Total BS.
Of course, I'll be there live, giving you the real story as it unfolds. This has been GNN's Sonia Sanchez reporting live.
If Sonia wants to party, Sonia parties.
Jesus, the third person? Look, all Adam's saying is you shouldn't go in. This weirdo could be here.
This is a party for important people only, honey buns. Which is why Adam can't go in.
Oh, she burned you there.
Where have you been? Well, when are you coming back home? Oh, good. When you get back, we can play, okay? Love you.
going in. Oh, and the kid is coming with me.
What?
He's my date. Come on, kid.
Broseph. Like Sonia said, you gotta be famous.
Kid, keep an eye on her for me. There's a psycho after her.
Tell me about it. But you can't live your life in fear. That's a motto of mine. Yeah, fear will kill you as much as real danger. Shoot! Just that Tyrak puts them there to catch teens on the run. Some, maybe. Now go on and enjoy yourself, sugar. We'll meet up later.
Sorry, kid. This is private.
You got levers under the table. I know you do.
Hi, kid. Perhaps you'd like to play.
Honey Buns! Nice to see you.
This round is free, young man. Okay, focus on the ball. Ready? Here we go. And you win. See? It's simple.
You shuffled faster for me.
Another try, young man? Oh, and you can place a bet, too. That's all right. I'll bet for you this time. Here, $1. Ready? Here we go. pick, young man.
Excellent pick, young man.
Now you have money and can wager a bet. Go on. I know you're a winner.
Oh, you know who's not a winner? A guy who hides balls in cups.
A wise bet. Now don't take your eyes off the cup. Ready? Here we go. Excellent pick, young man.
Excellent pick, young man.
Another round?
I'm gonna get in on this. Put a little bet down of my own.
The lady has spoken.
Oh, shut the hell up. Shoot, I left my wallet near the can. Get it for me, honey buns. Dough down on the kid.
Ready? Here we go. You win!
I'm gonna put down some more. Jellybean here is a goddamn winner. I know it.
Yes, a real winner.
Look who's starting to sweat, sweet cheeks. Clownface here.
Ready? Here we go. You win!
Uh-oh. Looks like Cutie Pie has your number. Let me put down even more.
Ready? Here we go.
Boom! Ha-ha! Did we get the ball and cups too?
That's impossible! Just give me a second. I'll be right back.
Get yourself some more scratch and get back here. We ain't done yet. Jesus, not again. Sweet cakes, I'm unbreakable. Don't worry. You're starting to sound like Adam, honey buns. You know what? Get me a drink from the tent. Get one for yourself, too. You need to chill. Oh, it is. What do you want, kid?
Hey, you're with Sonia, right? Well, some weird guy in a hat was just talking about her. I'm not sure. There was a lot of, grunting. But he didn't like her. I know that much. What do you mean? They're all big donors to Tyrak's campaign. He's throwing a big party for all of them ahead of his next election. Tyrak, what a great guy.
thought she was with you. I really hope something bad didn't happen to her.
Sorry, I have not. But what a wonderful journalist she is. Tyrak's favorite, you know.
You want to play a game?
Nope, we haven't. Sorry. There are other fish in the sea. Don't worry.
Talk to the driver, kid.
Whoa! Calm down, kid. She's in the limo. Maybe. But we'll never find him or her now. Besides, Sonia's tired. But thanks for looking after her. I know she's Sonia, but she's a good person underneath. See you around, okay? And thanks again.
Unit 2 to Central. Come in.
I'm not a bad person.
That's enough. What are you looking at, Peach Fuzz? That's what I thought. I'm not really in the mood for a chat. But fine, go ahead. I'm everywhere these days, including Road 96. I'm working a case that requires it. There are, yeah. And the big man wants more. Why do you want to know, anyway? I see. Unit 2 to Central, come in. Unit 2 to Central.
Hey. You gotta help me. She's taking me to the pits. Her car broke down. Not even cops have things that work here.
Turn around. And you, stay out of this. Kid, what did I say? Mind your own business. He's not gonna end up in the pits. It doesn't even exist.
No! They're gonna brainwash me, beat me! I'm done!
You don't really believe that, do you?
Huh? Believe what?
That the teen work camp doesn't exist.
Ma'am, now's not the time for a discussion. I'm just doing my job.
You're going to stick up for the police? After what they're doing to teens?
Sir!
You're doing Tyrek's dirty work, and you don't know it!
Look, I've heard the stories too, but they're false. Fake news.
Fake news?
I'm a mother. I'd never send a kid to a place like that.
Not intentionally, I know. But you are. What did you arrest this kid for?
Look, I'm not gonna... He was trying to cross the border, okay?
Then he's gonna end up, you know where. Whether you think they exist or not.
That's enough, sir. Now, both of you, please turn around. Unit 2 to Central. Come in. Unit 2 to Central. Where are they?
Citizens should be able to arrest cops. You know that? To keep them honest.
I can't believe I'm hearing this.
Can we pretend you never arrested me?
Quiet back there!
Actually, it's a good idea. Does anyone know you've arrested him?
No, but... Now that's enough! From everyone!
Please, officer.
Just get off at the next stop. That's all you have to do.
I'm not gonna say it again! Unit 2 to Central. Come in! Unit 2 to Central.
What's going on here? He woke me up.
Whoa, whoa, take it easy.
You've crossed the line!
Unit 2, this is Central. Everything okay? Over?
You can still do the right thing. Don't tell them about the kid.
Unit 2, are you there?
Unit 2 here. I just wanted to tell you I had some car trouble. I'm on the bus now. Over. Unit 2, I need a car to pick me up.
It's It's gonna be all right, okay? Psst. You're gonna vote, right? Well, you should. You know, that's another reason Tyrak sends you teens, you know where. So that your vote can't be heard. That's Mr. Bottles. Don't be fooled. Dude is a wild man.
Thinking I could find a friend. Saying hi, shaking hands. I hope this moment never ends. It feels so good.
Look, just give me the money and I won't call the cops.
A guy got stabbed here 2 days ago, and they never came. The cops aren't gonna show for this.
Desert skies and summer nights, I know. The road is my home. That's what it feels like to be free. Chasing butterflies and floating on the breeze. No doors and need no keys. Another world.
I don't have time for this. Just admit you stole from me and...
I didn't do it. Everything's fine.
It's not fine. She broke into my office and stole from me. Who are you? Her attorney? No, I don't have proof. She turned off my security camera. She's a criminal mastermind. You teens, I don't need the hassle. I'm out of here.
You didn't have to do that, you know. I was handling it. Well, thanks, I guess. Anyway, welcome to the Night Skies Campground. If you like crappy trailers, this place is the best. Then you've found your paradise, man. There's some cardboard around here, near Dancing Carl. Yeah, see you around, I guess. Hey, don't become roadkill out there, okay?
You said you'd give me another week.
This is 191.9, the voice of the brigades. This is your Papa Baby here. With the upcoming fraud of an election, more and more countries are calling for the resignation of Tyrak. But will he step down? Of course not. Which is why, dear listeners, we must resist this man and his government as much as we can. And now, here's a tune from a fresh new band. Remember, Papa Baby loves you.
You left the radio outside, Denny. Turn it off before you get us arrested.
Feel free to join if you can hang. What? I can't hear you over the music! I don't need to scream! Go talk to the owner! In his office! No one can really dance with me! I'm on another level! So knock yourself out! See what I mean about not being able to dance with me?
I don't usually give money to journeying teens, but you seem, what's the word? Pathetic.
You don't know where you're going, do you? If you want to rent a trailer, go up the stairs to my right and talk to the owner. Otherwise, find the dancing guy. There's cardboard near him. You look lost.
What do you want? I got trailers here. Trailers you can sleep in. If you got the dough. Let me show you to your spacious trailer.
Kept inside so long, I've lost sight of right and wrong. When you left an open door, I couldn't help but explore. So I took off with no plan, thinking I could find a friend.
Hey, wake up! Come hang out with me.
This moment never ends. It feels so
up here.
On the road and on my own, waking up now. Strings of death.
Hurry up!
Looking back from ocean waves to desert.
Come here. Sit with me.
I know the road is my home.
You don't have any marshmallows, do you? Sorry, I ask everyone that. Anyway, it's nice to have someone normal around here.
Butterflies and floating on the breeze. I got no doors.
I left home at the start of the summer. I wanted to get out of Petria. Like you, I think. My dad thinks I'm on a big road trip. Truth is, I'm never going back home again. To have a normal life? My dad says I'm lucky because I have a privileged life here. But that life disgusts me, especially now that I know... never mind. I don't know. Only about 1% of us do, or so I hear. And you know what happens to the rest. The pits, or worse. Where they send kids they think are gonna cross. Terrible things happen there, and I really hope I never experience them for myself. Well, enough about all that. Hey, why don't we play a little music? Let's play Bella Ciao. I used to play this all the time. You know. Don't be scared, man. Give it a shot. Not bad. Not bad. Okay, now let's try it with the music. I should be recording this. Okay, faster. My stomach hurts. All right. Yeah, all right.
It's 3 in the morning! Put that away before I come up there! That's it! Both of you are gone by sunrise! Understand me? And don't come back! Ever!
Oh man, that was great. Don't sweat it. I was gonna leave anyway. But I'm just sorry for you. That's sweet, but I think I need to travel on my own. It's important to me, you know? Thanks for understanding. Well, we should probably start packing, huh? Good luck out there. Oh, this is for you, to remember this moment.
You're not the talkative type, are you, young blood?